Croeso, welcome. This is Ben Llewellyn, and today a brief and tasty vocabulary builder in the Welsh language. Dysgu gerddor Gymraeg, learning Welsh language vocabulary. So how this is going to work? For words that are feminine, I'll put in bright pink. For words that are masculine, I'll put in bright blue. Plurals are neither. First, see the words on the screen with the English translation, and then again, just listening. Let's get started. Cegin, cegin. Grisha, grisha. Balcão, balcão. Louva, louva. Tea, tea. Cyntedd, cyntedd. Ystafell wely, ystafell wely. Closet, closet. Tŷ bach, tŷ bach. Ystafell ginio, ystafell ginio. Nenloft, nenloft. And then again, just listening. Cegin, cegin. Grisha, grisha. Balcão, balcão. Louva, louva. Tea, tea. Cyntedd, cyntedd. Ystafell wely, ystafell wely. Closet, closet. Tŷ bach, tŷ bach. Ystafell ginio, ystafell ginio. Nenloft, nenloft. Diolch am wylio. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time in this vocabulary builder series.